This is the HydroCart Jr. DI-only single-stage ultra-pure water generator. That's a mouthful, but the only thing you need to remember is Junior single-stage DI. The DI stands for deionization. Let's first take a look at how standard three-stage filtration works. There is a pre-filter to take out sediment, the DI resin, and in this case, 2 reverse osmosis membranes in the stainless steel housings. For the single stage, we've removed the rear-mounted pre-filter. We've removed the front-mounted DI resin filter, and instead we've put the resin in the tubes that formerly housed the reverse osmosis membrane. From a normal tap, the operator would hook up a garden hose to the inlet connection here. That ordinary tap water would then flow through the 2 deionization chambers from the top, down through the bottom, and exit here. In standard 3-stage filtration, the reverse osmosis membrane does most of the work, but also has most of the expense. In our single-stage unit, we've removed the RO membranes and basically doubled the amount of resin contained in these stainless steel housings. The technology at work is incredibly simple, with the goal of turning regular tap water into what the industry calls pure water, which is basically water with a TDS reading below 10. Each Junior DI kit comes with a TDS meter. To use the meter, simply fill the reservoir up with water, turn the power on, insert the meter into the reservoir, and take the reading. The operator would then connect the output hose here, and this hose would lead directly to the water-fed pole. The pure water then runs through the hose to your telescopic pole, which can be used to clean safely from the ground with no need for a ladder or lift, and also with no need for soap or detergent, using the telescopic pole, gooseneck, and slide brush. As with any filtration system, the filters are eventually going to fill up with particulates and need to be changed. To do that on the Junior single stage DI, all you need is either a 1/2-inch wrench or a 1/2-inch socket. Start removing the clamps at the top of each housing. And then remove the tops at the same time. Reach in and remove the filters and replace. This is the HydroCart Jr. DI-only single stage ultra pure water generating equipment.